back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you so much for tuning back in. Today, I am excited because I'm partnering with Merit Beauty again. Thank you so much, Merit Beauty, for partnering with me on this video. And you guys, I'm gonna be doing a swatch of their new signature lipsticks. They're really creamy and moisturizing. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's where I do the reels, and I reeled me unboxing the lipsticks when they came in. I have 4 and a lip gloss. So if you want to see how those are looking, make sure you keep watching. And they come in this beautiful packaging with a gold handle. If you know, you know I'm a sucker for gold. It is my go-to. And then this is the clear gloss, super cute. So let me just tell you a little bit about these signature lipsticks. So there are lightweight lipstick, a hydrating buildable lipstick with a soft satin finish. So lightweight, you'll forget you're wearing it. It comes in 8 shades, and then also they have the lip glosses. They also have lip oils. I've talked about Merit Beauty here before, giving you that clean, everyday look, like natural look. If you are quick on the go, it's like the quickest face you could put together if you are a mom, if you just need to quickly hurry up and put something together to look on point. Merit Beauty is an awesome way to start out your collection if you're new to makeup, or if you just want that natural looking type of makeup. That is what this brand is all about. Make sure you check out that video when I did a full face of their products. I'm not going in any particular order. This is the 1990, and this is how they pop out. Just simple. This one's a beautiful like chocolate shade, and I'm gonna swatch them for you and put it on the lips. So it doesn't have a smell, but they are a real like satiny and hydrating. I can see that they're like that glossy finish. So that's what that one looks like. I'm not gonna pair these with the liner. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, what they look like naturally. And I like how this is pointed. It fits perfectly on the lip. They are super creamy. So this is 1990. Very creamy. So these can be used, this can be used for every day as well. We just want to go to like a happy hour after work, meeting up with the girls, going out with babe, and you don't want to, you just want to be, look good. Like, this is cute. Okay, so that's 1990. Even wiping them off, I still feel like my lips are hydrated. So that's a plus. Next one is Fashion. And that color looks like this. And let me swatch it for you. Well, this is like a beautiful, like plummy red, like pinky red. So that second one is Fashion. So let's try this one. Oh yeah. It's actually not even really red. It's like a berry, like a deep berry, like a raspberry. This is pigmented. Oh yeah, this is really pigmented. Look at this. Fashion. Beautiful. And I layered that just to see how pigmented it can go, and look at that. Definitely a plus is not staining the lips, and my lips are still hydrating even after wiping these off right away. The next shade is Millennial that I picked out. This is more of like that nude, like mauvey nude. I love colors like this. So hydrating. So this one is Millennial. And I can tell that this is gonna be like the perfect, like everyday, your lips but better. Giving a hydration with a little tint. Yeah, I like this. So this one is just giving you that little oomph, but not doing too much of a pink, but enough pink. Like I said, like your lips, but better. So this is Millennial. And last but not least, in the lipsticks, this is called Slip. And this one is more of a lighter brown. And this one could be used for every day as well. So this one is called Slip. Sorry, my swatches are, a little off. But this is also one that you could wear every day. Gives you enough, it gives you your hydration, it gives you enough gloss, enough sheen. With a little tint of the like nude. Like this with your lip liner, your favorite lip liner. This is cute. This is really cute. So this is Slip. So that's all the lipsticks swatched on my hand. So definitely check out these signature lippies by Merit Beauty. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the gloss and just give you my thoughts on it. It is clear, so you won't see much of it, but I'm just going to give you my thoughts on how it feels and all that. Love the packaging. And the packaging is very similar to what their lip oils come in, so yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is actually a lip oil too. This is in the shade Bel Air. It's the tinted lip oil. So if you like lip oils, make sure you check this out. Oh yeah, this feels good. Ooh. Yes, everyday lip oil. Again, the shade Bel Air. I'll have my information in the description box below so that you can save a little bit of a coin. So make sure you check out that link down below and shop Merit Beauty. And let me know if you tried their signature lipsticks. I do know that they are available in stores at Sephora and on their website. So yes to this lip oil. If you like lip oils, if you like satin finish lipsticks, make sure you check out Merit Beauty and check out the description box so that you can shop the link using my code. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.